A wonderful day. Today we are in one of my biggest dream cars since childhood, 2008 Porsche Turbo. That's right, Porsche Turbo. I don't know what's done to this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's not stock, just judging by the sound and the wheels. But oh my god, I have been wanting to get behind the wheel, let alone get a ride in one of these things since high school, if not before. Of course, you get a twin turbo, 3.8 flat 6 or 3.6. Sorry about that. And all the sound in the world. I am going to take it easy because it's a Porsche and I've never driven one, so I'm not going to go too hard. But let's see what it's about. It's an auto, unfortunately. But wow, that sound, that sound. And honestly, it's been so long, I kind of forgot the hard stats for the Porsche Turbo, so I'll definitely overlay them here so we know the power, torque, weight, all that stuff. Because honestly, I'm drawing a blank, and like I said, this one's probably not stock, so it probably won't do me any good for me to label it for you here anyway. By the way, right now we're on the highway, cruising along, actually at 55 because they're going slow. Very low, very rough, but very engaging. I mean, wow, I definitely get it. I've always loved Porsche's stacked gauges, with the center being your RPMs, and then all the other important information placed off to the side. Key goes down the left, which is different, but wow, wow, wow. Just getting a load of this thing is just insane, honestly. You can hear turbo spool. Oh man, that noise right behind your head. The pops, the burbles, the turbo spooling, it's very special. Immediate, so let's test out the handling a little bit. Like I said, it's my first time driving a Porsche. I'm not going to go hard, I'm taking it easy, but I definitely do want to experience it for once, and you know, I plan on getting one eventually. But wow, this is really special. This is really cool. I'm super stoked, if you can't tell. I think right now it's just in normal, so I don't know how sport mode works per se. It's got a button right here, but I don't see anything happening, so I'm not really sure if I need to be... Oh man, that sound though, wow, 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 that's special. Go ahead, get some cool little glamour shots. I know with Porsches you want to turn on throttle. Wow, like you hear it, and since it's an auto, it just builds, boost. Very cool, very special. And these things have gone up in value a lot these days, obviously, just like everything else has. But very cool. So not doing anything crazy, not gonna try to slide or anything, because I don't know how rear engine Porsches really handle. I haven't done it before, so we're not gonna do any of that. But we are gonna get some cool glamour shots, and then we'll get back to a quick little drive, and that'll wrap this video up. Man, you don't even have to go fast in this thing to have fun. Like, you just hear that and you feel the force, the torque, and it's plenty. It's 100% plenty. So I want to get these buildings in the background, so we'll turn around. That is special. Definitely understand it finally. Let alone looking at it, just driving it feels special. If it's a little blown out, let me turn down the exposure for you guys. I think that might look a little bit better. Be a little bit more cinematic. And let's get some cool cinematic shots, and then we'll get back to driving. You know I'm sweating because it's hot outside. And I'm standing in the blistering sun trying to get glamour shots. Let's turn around, head back. We got what we wanted. This thing's awesome. I definitely can't wait to get my Porsche. I'm sold. Especially as an auto. I don't really understand the manual shift, so that's why I haven't tried it. It's like Tiptronic on the steering wheel. It's very odd, so I'm not gonna mess with it. That sound though, my goodness. That is special. Damn, I'm sweaty. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, wrong thing. Let's get the fan going. There we go. Some AC. Super hot. Alright. I feel good. Take a sec for boost the build. But once it does, very nice. Very, very nice. Now you add throttle and it just pulls the front end around. It's pretty cool. Very different. Yeah, it's a lot of boost lag. Well, it's auto though, so I expect that. Auto at that, not one of the newer ones. But this is cool. I'm stoked I finally got to drive one. Wow. Wow. That torque. That torque's pretty cool. So yeah, 2008 Porsche Turbo. Great handling, fantastic looks, amazing theatrics, and we've got it here for sale. So come at me, Devon, Taylor, Katie, and I will get you taken care of. This thing's wonderful. I wish I could buy it. someday soon. And there's a Corolla right there, limited bass. So I'm taking it easy, not going crazy. But wow, what a special car. Here's the manual shift. That kickdown though, very nice. Very, very nice. That's awesome. That is awesome. Anyway, thanks so much for checking this quick, fun little video out. That is the Porsche Turbo 2008. I finally get to experience what everybody else has been experiencing, and it is a rush of emotion, a riot. The sound, the theatrics, the feeling, the looks, it's got everything. So I definitely get it, definitely get it, and I would love to own this one. Anyway, thanks again. Remember to drop us a like, subscribe, leave me a comment with your thoughts about this generation Porsche, turbo, non-turbo, and hey, if you've got one you want to let me drive, hit me up in the comments, send me a DM, and we'll go from there too, because I'm open to driving other people's stuff too. Anyway, thanks again. Y'all take it easy. Be awesome.